Looking for a reliable dumpster rental in Hubert, North Carolina? Look no further than Island Trash. We offer various dumpster sizes to meet all your waste management needs, whether for a small home cleanout or a large construction project. Our process is simple and hassle-free. Just call us, and our team will help you choose the perfect dumpster size for your project. We'll deliver it to your location and pick it up once you're done. At Island Trash, we pride ourselves on prompt and professional service. Understanding the importance of timing, we ensure on-time delivery and pickup to keep your project on track. Our dumpsters are durable and well-maintained, perfect for handling all types of debris, from household junk to construction waste. At Island Trash, we offer top-notch service without breaking the bank. Our affordable pricing ensures that you get the best value for your money. There are no hidden fees or surprises, just straightforward, budget-friendly rates that cater to your needs. Join the many satisfied customers in Hubert, North Carolina, who trust Island Trash for their dumpster rental needs. Our competitive pricing and exceptional customer service set us apart from the rest. For the best dumpster rental, call Island Trash at 252-241-0879 or visit our website at www.islandtrashcontainers.com. Dumpster Rental Hubert. Let us take care of your waste so you can focus on what matters most.